Hello traders and welcome back to the Forex Bot Trade Academy. Victor here as usual, and we will be looking at the Euro versus Australian dollar currency pair. Before we start, I would like to continue that information in this video is purely for educational purpose and should not be considered as financial advice. So what we have, previous ideas, let's go through quickly. Australian versus Swiss franc, the idea is valid. It's just below the entry point, slightly below, but I expect this to continue the uptrend. Australian Canadian dollar also below the entry, but also expecting move to happen today. Euro Japanese yen, it's moving slowly towards the target. Euro GBP, it went quite sharply to the upside, although the trade is still valid. We need to see what happens at this high, whether there will be a breakout or not. And finally, moving on to the Euro versus Australian dollar. We discussed a lot about the Australian dollar potential strength and the Euro weakness. So this might push Euro Australian dollar down quite a lot and quite fast. And therefore, we are bringing on this idea to see what we can expect from the Euro Australian dollar today. I do think this will be a very fast move to the downside, and it will occur today. And what we have is fibs applied to the last wave to the upside. Here we have the rejection of 38.2% retracement level occurred actually today, and we have 88.6%, which might be the potential downside target. What we also have is this fibs applied to the corrective wave up after breaking the uptrend trend line. We have this level 23.6, and price failed to close above it. So there was a spike, but price did clearly close at this level. And besides, we can see at the spike, it rejected 38.2 and it rejected the uptrend trend line. And this just brings me to conclusion that there is not enough strength for the move to continue going to the upside, and therefore there should be quite a fast move to the downside. And the target here is seen at 162.16. So this is 127.2% Fibonacci applied to this correction. And we might also go slightly lower to test 162 psychological level. So this is the area of support, and this is what I expect to happen today. Very fast decline towards the target. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and we will see how it goes. I think tomorrow target should be reached by tomorrow, and also on Australian and Euro pairs we should be moving towards our direction. That's it, guys. Likes, subscribe, comments, and we'll see you very soon.